Hello guys, welcome back to Life of Pip'nTyne. We are out here on Andy and going to take the throttle positioning sensor off of the accelerator pedal. So, got us our tools that I think we're going to need. Got a Torx T20, and then we have a Torx T27, and hopefully that's going to take the small one, the T20, and we'll take these two here out, and then the larger one, the T27, is going to take that one out and this one here out. And we got to move this panel off, and then we're going to take, well, first off we're going to take this panel off and then take this panel off, and should be able to access the two screws that are in behind right here, right in behind the pedal.
Okay.
Right in there.
Alrighty.
So, alrighty. So we're going to try to do this as much as we can in real time, and also in real aggravation. That way, whoever out there is into this job can kind of know what they're in for. So it don't appear to be too bad. So anyway, without further ado, we don't want to waste your time. We're going to see if we can get this panel here off.
Boom.
And there's one on the far corner over there.
Oh, over here.
Right there. Yeah.
Got it.
Kind of dark up in there, I can't see. That one. This one. All right.
There it goes.
That panel off and slide it to the side.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, there's some screws there.
Let's see. Hold on. Get my light on this. There we go.
Okay. Him out. Take that one out. One at the bottom. And then one. Okay.
Over there.
Let's see. See if I can use this as a screwdriver, maybe. Yeah, it wasn't that tight.
Good.
Well, see, it wasn't. Okay. What else is in here? There may be. Oh, that's one right there, ain't it?
Up in there.
There's one up right there.
I see something on the camera. Can't tell. Really.
I've been in here before, but it's been a day or two.
You're close to it.
Yeah, it's another big one, just like what we took out. I've got to go find a ratchet and a short extension, guys. I'll be right back.
All right. To be continued.
To be continued. All right, I'm back with some paraphernalia here. All right, let's see. An annoying sound.
I'll move it. Is that the world's longest screw?
It's acting like it. Out of the way so that we can get to it. Where's it then? Okay. There's just no comfortable way to get in here.
There isn't.
Not for me.
I mean, I'm pretty comfortable, if that matters.
Put my eyeballs on my fingers and there we go. What's going on here? There it is. Yeah, it's hanging on. It is hanging on.
Do you want me to see if I can reach it from over here?
I might have to.
Let me see.
It sounds kind of weird. I mean,
Well, I think it might be loose. I don't know.
It's loose, but it just don't want to.
Don't want to come out.
Uh-uh.
There, okay.
Don't you look at what a boat.
I told you.
Okay.
You need a nap. We'll finish up tomorrow.
I think I might need a nap now.
Oh.
Okay. All right. And then there's that
There you go.
panel out of there.
Now, is that what we're looking for? That little black box under there?
Right here.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Right there.
Okay.
Is that Phillips head right there?
That is, I think so.
Okay.
Hard to see.
We can kind of. And have I brought a Phillips head with me? No, I have not.
Oh, please.
Oh, please, I'll be back. How come it got dark in here all of a sudden?
Here, I can help that. Boom.
There we go.
Stand on your head. That'll help.
Yeah. That's what I need to do. Okay, we're filming?
Yep, we're filming.
We're filming. We're filming.
We filming.
Okay. Alright. That one.
Good thing this is easy to get to.
Yeah.
You need like a super extension or something. There it goes. Hey, there you go.
And when I screw there out.
Okay.
And yeah. That comes out. And then unplug right there.
Okay.
That's it, guys. That's your throttle positioning sensor, or TPS for these folks that don't like to say their words. So I might have just popped the glue on that. So anyway, this in here has 4 pins.
Yep,
inside of that, down in there. And there's what used to be a number. That's what I was hoping to find on here, was a number. But I got a 130 out of it, so. Okay, there we go. We got it off. And we'll get us another one and show you guys how we put it back on. All right, folks, I got this thing out here in the daylight where I can see much more gooder, and it ain't got 4 pins, it only has 3.
Let me see if I can get a good shot of that. Ooh, yep, there we go.
There's 3 in there.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. We will, like I said, try to give you every bit of information that we possibly can and what we find out. All right, guys, we got us a throttle positioning sensor, and this is, I ordered it from a fella off of eBay. I think it cost me $90-something for this kit. It comes with a different wiring harness, a couple of these little retaining clips, and some instructions. And there's a part number right there. Now this truck it's going on is a 92 Freightliner FLD with a 12.7 Detroit in it. So you guys out there is working on one of these, this is what this is. I believe this to be the original sensor. It's heavier. And if you look, there's only 3 prongs in there. Okay. So when you order this kit, you get this one. That's got umpteen prongs in there. But the wiring harness has only got 3. It's only using 3 wires of all these prongs. So I'm sure that this particular sensor is probably used over several different applications. Now, there's a number on the back of this thing. I'm going to read it to you as best I can. It's 133692. And there's one under it, and I have got no clue as to what it says, and I'm still trying to read out the bottom of these glasses, and I can't see it.
Let me see if the camera will focus on it.
See if the camera will focus on that number, if it would help anybody. Sometimes running those numbers might help.
Okay, we'll get it at an angle. Yeah, you might be able to read that. Y'all can pause it.
But if you buy just a sensor and you still got the 3-wire pigtail in here, you're gonna have to get the pigtail too. So anyhow, there's that. And this is hopefully going to be a fairly simple fix. Just kind of looking at everything real good. So anyway, we're going to try to get it in here, take y'all with us. I see a couple of things. It wasn't hard to get the old one out, but getting all this new stuff in here, I see a couple of things that's going to make life a little interesting. But we'll work through it. I'm going to read through this and make sure I ain't missing nothing. I'll be right back. All right, guys, there's our instructions, bulletin, paper, cheat sheet, whatever what you want to call it. And everything looks pretty much standard as far as the way you take it out. The only thing I noticed was interesting is when you put that sensor in, you're going to put it on the tang, on the little roller part on the back of the pedal, and then rotate it clockwise till your screw holes line up, and then fasten it like that. So I think that's an important point. That way you're having the sensor in the right positioning for idling, or whatever position you got your foot in, on the floor or off of it, whichever one. So I think that's a setting that would be pertinent to the proper operation of the vehicle. So anyhow, there that is. You can have that for your edification. So we're going to see if we can't get this thing back on here again. All right, we got us a little screw right on the back side of this pedal. Now the instructions say to remove the whole pedal out of the truck, and it's got studs that go through the floorboard and nuts on the back side out yonder. But I did see where I might could just do it all right here instead of having to do that. But right here, there's your plug for the old one, and there's your clip to go around the wire, and there's a Phillips head screwdriver right there, Phillips head screw right there, it feels like anyway. So I'm gonna try to get that out. I think that right there, and I'm having to put my eyeballs on the end of my fingers. I think this right here is probably, from what I'm understanding, the most difficult part of this whole thing. And that thing has been in there a while. I said I believe this is the original sensor in it. Don't forgive me, I'm right-handed, but trying to use this left hand is, I think we're getting it. So you don't have a 3-inch screw and a 1/4-inch hole. There it is.
Yay.
Okay. Okay, alright, there's that little clip. They give us new clips. I'm going to see which one I think is made better, and I'm going to put that one back on, rather it be the old one or the new one. And I'm bad to save every piece of junk I can find. You never know when you might need it somewhere. But sometimes this older metal is better metal than this newer metal, so I'm in it for the long run, not the quick run. So we're going to try and go back with what we think's going to last the longest. Other than that, there. I don't know. I'm probably blocking it.
I'll see if we can get it.
Ah,
Oh, almost.
It ain't quite long enough. Let's see if I can get that like it was. Just did not want to turn, did it? No, it don't want to turn. Okay.
Those have been friends for a long time.
They have. So we have got to figure us out something to get this in here. If I can do it without stripping out the screw head.
Oh, yeah.
And that big old wire out of that fuse box right there is not trying to be my friend at all. No. Dang it, there it went.
Did it strip it or did it just slip pretty good?
I think it's true. I'm gonna have to go get some more tools, I reckon.
Okay.
Alright, we got the longer extension on our Phillips head. And I don't know if that's going to help it or not, because I still don't like the angle of it. We're going to try it again. Oop. It's just, it might have been easier, folks, to just remove the whole pedal. But I've got me some ideas. If this don't work, I'll improvise something. There's no reason for that wire to have to be in behind that pedal like that. Let me go back after some more tools. Alright, here's the, I think, 15th attempt. Sometimes jarring them will let them change their mind, but I got a feeling this one just ain't going to be one of those kinds. Nope. And it reamed it out again. And there's how you do that. So, okay, and this cable or wire is running up in behind this panel here. So, just going to fold that down. Coerce that over here like this. Run that up there. And it looks like there's something else. What is that? Whatever it is, it's pretty stout. It just a fold over. Goodness gracious alive.
That screw head is filled with dirt down there. I don't even know if it's going to work, but trying to get a little bit of it out.
This is where my temper wants to start getting the best of me.
Uh-huh.
That's because it seems as though we're smart enough to build a good truck.
Mm-hmm.
Not just mine, any of them. But we totally miss it on stuff like this. I mean, that's a negative head. If we could have put a 1/4 inch hex head on there, use a 1/4 inch hex head screw, it wouldn't feel full of dirt. And you'd have much more to get onto when you're trying to get it out. But why can't we do that? And you know, yeah, if we'd have took the pedal out, it might have made a little bit of difference, but that other screw, I don't think it'd have made none.
Yeah. Can I hold the floor mat over?
I don't even know what to do here. I'm in a terrible position. There just ain't no good position. You filming?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As it moves, let's don't back off.
Woo! We got some success.
We got some success with that one.
By we, I mean you, but I'm still pretty excited.
Well, the light is helping, so.
Good.
All right.
Yay!
So that's all right. Now let's see what happens. There's the other end of it right up in there.
Oh, I can't even see if I'm filming it. Yeah, I got it.
And look at that. That's the easiest part of it all.
We'll take some of that.
We'll take some easy. There's the old wire harness.
Woo, good night.
I didn't want to have to cut that. I knew I could have cut it and just got it out of the way and this and that. But I didn't want to do that because where's the old sensor? There it is right there. Because I just want to put it back together and keep it. I mean, I do feel like this one was bad. Not bad where it wouldn't run, but just bad enough to affect it. But in a pinch, I might have to put that back on there and go again. And these are just plastic clips. Okay. So I'll put that back in there. I'll put that back in there. And I'll get a Sharpie and I'll just put old on here and put it in my bucket.
Alrighty.
Save it for another day. Maybe we won't never need it. But if we do, we got it.
Yep.
Now, that was so much fun.
Let's do it some more.
Let's see if we can do it again. All right. Here we go. I'm working blind by feel. And where'd it go? That's not it. Where did it go? It's right here. Okay. So we'll stick. This little cover was holding on the outside of the old one. So I'm just kind of feeling of it. Okay, now it locked in, I think. I know it didn't either. Here, let's take that screw out. Should be pretty close.
Oh, I can see the hole now on the camera.
Maybe I should take that off out of the way.
Yeah, about right there, from what I can tell. It's hard to even see on the camera.
Okay.
Rotate it a little more clockwise. Yeah, I think.
Well, it's got to match up with this. This has got to go in here.
And then you can rotate it. Okay,
like
gotcha.
that. Okay, now it went in. And then you rotate it clockwise. You can feel it. It's got some spring tension on it.
Okay.
And okay.
Did it go in?
Yep.
Yay!
Okay. So now that part is in. wrong
bit.
Maybe we got the wrong bit. I know it ain't that one.
Too beefy.
Let's see. It fits that one. That's the wrong bit. Okay, there's the right one somewhere because we took it out.
Comment if you see it.
Yeah, guys, and here we are, real time again. Don't mean to bore you, but this is just, we thought we'd show you what our real time, what you're in for. This is the oddest thing. But
Still too big.
is this a Phillips head?
Let me see. Hold on. I think it is.
Well, that makes all the sense in the world then.
Yeah.
No wonder it is the wrong size, because it's
I
Phillips
think it's a
head.
Phillips head.
Okay, well,
I'm in a weird position.
let's try a Phillips head, guys.
Okay.
Oh man, that works all much better. Right, look at that.
Old
I
school.
want you to look at that.
Primitive technology.
Yeah.
Yay.
And if y'all sit back and say, well, I ain't never done nothing like that before, you might not have. But be careful, because you might be getting ready to.
It'd be rare. Okay. On to the wires.
We got this hickey Dodger here. Well, you should just plug right up. Don't tell me I gotta take it all back off just to plug that in. Something's...
Let me see if I can see anything from this side.
See anything?
And it has the little clip, the little prong that the clip goes over. It's almost like this part of the pedal's getting in the way, right? There. Oh, okay, that's just the rubber. Okay.
Yeah.
Does that do anything?
Yep, that's it. Look at that.
Teamwork makes the dream.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Having eyeballs on the correct side of the pedal helps
Yeah.
too.
Okay. Alright, so that's plugged in. Well, it was back in behind that, and that's what I was trying to do, because it helps hold it. I don't fit under these dashes. And this is some more of this. You know what? We're just gonna do it, okay? Okay. I know I'm not putting them clamps back in, but that's okay. You can put yours back in. I'm not putting mine back in. Maybe before we go any further, we should fire this thing off and see if this thing's going to work. Because if it don't, and we put all this back together, we're going to take all this back off.
Okay, good deal.
So let me check the oil, do a little quick pre-trip, and we'll fire it off.
Good deal.
See if she's going to respond. All right, here we go.
Hey!
It revved. That's responding. We put this horn back on here. I think it's going to be easier to try to get this side panel back on versus fighting everything. But we're getting ready to find out.
And you already put a couple of screws in here. Here, right? These two?
Yeah, that's holding that piece right there
Yeah.
on, yeah.
Holding that little elbow piece on.
Oh, where is that hole? Maybe that's it right there. Okay, got that one started.
Can't hardly see what I'm filming, folks, with the sunlight angle, so hopefully you're getting this.
If not, please pardon us. We're trying. I didn't see many videos on YouTube that showed this. So I figured, we'll try and make one. And this long booger here, it goes right in that hole. And I'm having to once again feel what I'm doing.
Let me see if I can do it since I can see a little bit. I don't know if I can.
I'm about out of stretch and reach. And
we'll see if I
need 4 or 5 more joints to make it around that corner.
Oh, I feel it now. It was farther back.
Yeah, sometimes it's better to little hands. Make a big difference sometimes.
Yeah, Dad has used me for years when he's working on cars and trucks to get my fingers somewhere he can't get his, or my hands. But I tell you what, that man will be 80 this year and he still has more strength than me. Let me get it on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you can feel it.
Sorry for the filming, guys. We're doing what we can. Right. Hold on. Right there. It might not be straight in there, but it's on it.
Thank you very much, baby doll.
Still likes maybe a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch.
Okay.
I'm just trying to look at the screen at a weird angle.
Yeah.
To see.
Because I sure can't see. Oh, my hand getting tired of turning.
Let me turn it for a minute.
Yeah, I lost it. Yeah, that's fine too.
It's close. It's getting there. Let's see if I can get in at all. That's what we're working with. Right there. Just trying to get something up in there. Okay, it's in there if you want to hold it for a second. And then I can get a better grip.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah. It's in there now.
If you can kind of steady the
can hold it.
Teamwork again. There it goes.
Okay.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
All right, so now I can. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Look at that.
Hey!
What's going on here? Let's see. All right. I can't understand.
Is it not grabbing?
Something. I can't understand. There you go. Just need to go a little bit more.
Good.
Okay. This one here. Tighten these up. I'm not going to put the wrench on now. Just hand tie it, be fine.
Okay. Okay. Next
now,
panel or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think I got it the right direction. I don't know.
This thing here can be
You got a little screw caught under.
Sure. Where?
Your right pinky knuckle.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. Oh man.
Okay. I got him on the other side here.
There it goes.
Okay. 2 hands is a bonus. Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, we got her now.
Okay. Get that tightened up. There it goes.
Okay.
Whew, that was easy.
Guys, I wouldn't have thought it would have been that hard.
Okay.
But hey, it's still cheaper than taking it to somebody and getting it done, and maybe it'll fix my problem.
That's true.
The problem I was having was you could watch your tack, get in the fuel a little bit, try to get it up to about 1200, just sitting there still, you know, not going down the road, but just sitting there. And you could hold it there for just a second, and then the RPMs would go to creeping up on you, and you're not moving the pedal. So I thought, well, that's not doing what it's supposed to do. And I got another issue in it. I hadn't figured it out. It's got a skip in it. Whenever it gets to about 150 degrees, it'll just stall to boom, 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 boom. So I don't know if that's kind of thing to do with it or not, but I decided to replace it and see. So anyhow, I want to thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with us for this little video, and hopefully you learned something. You know, got some part numbers, got a little bit of an explanation. You got to see what I had to go through, what we had to go through to get to it, and get her done. So for what it's worth, there it is. And folks, all our Christian brothers and sisters out there, let's say a prayer for Mr. Udo. He's a subscriber of ours, and comments and stuff, and he's been having a little bit of hospital time with some issues, sounds like, and we just want to lift him up in prayer, and we'd love for y'all to join in with us. So God bless you. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share the video out. Hope you got something out of it. We'll catch y'all on the next one.
God bless you guys.
God bless you guys. See ya.